cover it is very and clear and clipsy way of it, and whatever the multiple way of asking questions, those 2, 3, 4 questions are very important for exam point of view. You can please you have to practice at home, very important. So one more kind of construct a NDFA which accept any binary string that contains 0, 0 or 1, 1 as a substring. So here it is, it's a first constructing. So before that 0, 0, right, or it may contains 1, 1. There are two strings you may ask. First, it is started with any combination 0 or 1. It may or may not be 1 is followed by any combination 0 or 1. That is one part of it. Or in other part of it, so it is started with any combination of 0 or 1, 1, 1 as a substring, 0 or 1 another kind of it. Okay, so now how to make this? You see that this is the first string, right, as a substring is there. Then you can take this path, this will be the initial state, that means 0 or 1 it can already made it, and take this path, minimal is over, accepted, followed by. Suppose or it may have a substring is 1, 1, it will take this path and reach to this. Before and at the end, first and end will be starting with any combination of 0 or 1. So that not a make any problems, right? So another point of is an NFA that accept all binary string that ends with 1, 1, 0. So now it is minimum string is, forget about this, it may start with any kind of end with, there is a end with 1, 1. So what is a minimum string here? 1, 0, 1, and make this as a finite state. So before to that any combination it can 0 or 1, right? So that is here rotated itself. In another example, we have seen other example, A star plus means either or AB star. That means what is that A star it is, what is the string is accepting epsilon. Both the cases it may appear 0 times. Or A, right, or AB, or AA, okay, so on. So these are all things will come, right, A, B, B, A comes. Suppose both are epsilon, that means it will be start and ending with the same state. Otherwise, suppose the first string, right, A, since it is a star, it may appear 0 times or more occurrence of A. So that is the reason I provided it, the loop on A. So again AB, right, look at this, this is very A, second case A, for this case AB star A, then it is always start with A and B finite state. Suppose there is one more combination AB, AB, first AB is there, A, B, A, B, this rotated is first one on, so it will reach directly finite state only AB, so only AB, okay, so there is not a problem. Suppose there is one more A has come, AB, AB, in this case A, B, A, B, so it will reach the finite state. So simple.